Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to bookmark a specific text in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file and click on this paste thumbnail option, and here you will find this bookmark option. Click on this bookmark. Now select your text, dragging your mouse, and you want to bookmark. Now click on this bookmark icon and type here your bookmark name, text, okay, and go in here of this toolbar and click on this bookmark and see this text of showing. Also I will bookmark this text, drag your mouse and select. Now right click for your mouse and here you will find this bookmark option. Text 2. Now click here and see this and this text and see this text now bookmark. In this way you can bookmark a specific text, word or character on your PDF file, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.